Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10-line essay on my state Karnataka. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Karnataka is the largest state in South India. Second line is it is also known as the land of black soil. Third line is it is the sixth largest state in India according to area. Fourth line is it is the largest raw silk producer in India. Fifth line is traditional agriculture is the main occupation of people here. Next line, that is line number 6, is this state is home to most of the excellent research and educational center in the country. Seventh line is this state holds a special place in the world of Indian classical music. Eighth line is many talents such as Bhimsen Joshi, Swami Gandharv, Mallikarjun Mansur, etc. belong to this state. Ninth line is the state is famous for its traditional, cultural, and historic importance. Last line is it is a beautiful and developing state of the country.